I've been lucky. God has been very kind on me. And forever I'm always gratitude to that. And I went to Sarehe Boys Center and School, not other these second-rate places people go to. Yes, Honorable Speaker, here we are dealing with supplementary budget. We are dealing with supplementary budget coming almost 2 weeks towards the end. Honorable Speaker, it is coming 3 weeks or 2 weeks. In fact, today, 30th is Friday next week. It's coming less than 1 week to the end of the program, the financial year. So the question is, does it mean this 34 billion or so has been just lying somewhere? Does it mean the 9.5 billion that was meant for a recurrent expenditure? What has happened? That explanation is not coming out very clearly. And for many of the members who are first-timers, might not even understand what kind of things we are talking about here. And that's why you'll see many of them probably will not be able to constructively engage in this debate. So, Honorable Speaker, members deserve a little more disclosure. That disclosure will help us tell exactly what is happening. What specific? Because the budget is based on specific project that we are putting money in project Y, we are putting money in project X. Honorable Speaker, we who sit in Public Accounts Committee are always confronted with huge pending bills that consequently attract penalties, court charges, damages, and those kind of things. And Honorable Speaker, this comes out of this kind of arrangement, Honorable Speaker. We need as a country, we need as a parliament, we need as the executive, and this goes to the Parliamentary Budget Office. We must be bold enough and tell the Budget Appropriation Committee the truth and nothing else the truth. Because them that are working at the behest of the executive, they are no longer working at the behest of the people of Kenya. And that's why you find we are getting entangled in so many issues, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, when an economy is in recession, you need to spend money. That's why this 34 billion, for example, if it was spent on providing electricity, taking electricity projects to the various villages in the country,